guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, I just want to say thank you for viewing, and for those of you who are return viewers, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing my channel. So I must take this opportunity to say a very happy and blessed 2021 to all of you out there. Hope that you are staying safe and your family also are staying safe in this crisis and this pandemic that we have going on. I haven't made any video for a while because I'm working from home and I'm super busy. Yes, I do record all the hair that I do and all my style that I created and weave and everything like that, but I don't even have time to edit and post my videos. But I have a few to showcase soon, and that will be coming. So thank you guys. Stay tuned for this. So today in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how I braid this lemonade hairstyle for my client, for my daughter, I should say. I have been braiding her hair ever since she was a kid, and now she's actually a teenager. It's unbelievable how they grow up so fast. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. And this style is on natural hair. I washed her hair and blow dried her hair, and I am just going to show you how I create this look. So have yourself a good one. Enjoy this video. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a blessed one. Bye now.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. it sound right, boys.